Welcome to SPS Creation and Innovation. General knowledge. How many colors in the rainbow? There are 7 colors in the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. How many hours in a day? There are 24 hours in a day. How many minutes in an hour? There are 60 minutes in an hour. Where does a lion live? A lion lives in a den. When can you see the sun? We can see the sun during the daytime. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more notifications.